So hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. I have been doing good and I have been growing every single day. Remember, we said even if you take a loss, you are still growing. And people, we have always been um made to believe that when you take a loss, it is a bad thing, but it's not a bad thing. You should learn from it actually should be a very good privilege for you to learn from that mistake. You can see where gold is printing at around 44.275.985, 43.985. That's where our great instrument is. I love gold. It's gotten to a point where I feel like understanding what gold is doing, you should have a lot of experience in it. And I remember watching gold come from 2,500 when I began trading. Now it's at 4,900. That's a lot. My previous videos haven't been pushed by YouTube. I don't know why, but I'm still gonna believe that I'm going to reach everybody who needs my help. Maybe it's because I talked shit in my previous videos, but I'm sorry, man. If you just feel like you, I don't, I don't, I don't do what I do with a good heart. Just I'm sorry, man. I just can't do it any other way. You can see that on the daily. Let's go first to the daily time frame. Yesterday we printed lower, and you can see here is the volume imbalance that was a point of interest because you can see that when you're looking at candlesticks, there are three things that you should be aware of. You should be aware of the body of the candlestick, that's the shaded area, the stronger shaded area. You should be aware of the wick, the upper wick and the lower wick, if they are there. And you should be also aware whether it's a bearish candle or a bullish candle. In my case here, green candles bullish, black candles bearish, meaning it's a sell side candle, and this is a buy side candlestick. You can see that this is where price was interested in, just came and touched that. That's beautiful. Anybody who was long here and thought that they could be, well, gold is way further, it can't come back here, motherfuckers. Well, it just did come for you. It just did come for you, and hell yeah, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. See that? Just stopped out those motherfuckers. Turn these guys into cash. Motherfuckers crying their ass up. Where's gold going? What's happening? What's they don't they don't want they don't want me to tell you the truth. And I'm gonna tell you the truth. Truth is here. I'm not I'm not making nothing up. I'm talking what is in the charts. I'm talking the algorithm. A nigga, there's one thing I really hate is a nigga hating on a nigga and they both broke. I think Kendrick Lamar said that in his song, one of his songs. You just can't hate on a nigga and you both broke. Niggas, niggas, what the? How, man? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I already realized that I'm starting to talk stupid shit. Better, better calm down before they bring these videos down. So you can see there's a volume imbalance where it's also, you can say it's a new week opening up because it's a gap in between Friday and Monday here. These things that we are going to be aware of are from the market, from what you can see. I am not talking a new language. It's always there. It has been there. You won't come find it. They're not gonna take away these. How, man? But all they can do is just manipulate price. but they can take away this. They cannot. Um, so we can see where this candlestick closed, and immediately we had a bullish candlestick today. So I quickly want to bring out my PD arrays. Of course, you know what I'm talking about when I say my PD arrays. But before we do that, we're gonna see where it's going. Um, my first area of interest, I previously said, um, this was a very high area of interest, and this is liquidity. I had pointed it out in my previous videos. This is also liquidity, and this is liquidity here. All of this here is internal liquidity, and it's a target. It's a target for us. We want that. And we have this imbalance here. This one here, you're gonna see it. This is liquidity. Obviously, you can see what happened here. Let's try to resist that after sweeping that, but started to deliver higher. You should be aware of that. I wasn't aware of that today, but I am. I know that it's going higher. Right now, I know that it's going higher, and it's probably coming for these motherfuckers here or here. And you're gonna see that it's gonna be aggressive. It's gonna be aggressive. It's gonna be really aggressive. Oh, it just comes to this order block here. Just come to this main threshold here. Very high area of interest here. Obviously, when you're gonna see this video, it will have been already gone. So I'm not giving out a live signal. I'm just talking what I think price will do. Right? But we also should understand that we have an imbalance here. I expected the New York session to come for this liquidity because this is these motherfuckers should not be forgiven. This one here. I don't think price will forgive them. It might come for this here, not today, not tomorrow. It might come for here, this imbalance. We also have this rejection block here. It's a very high area of interest. This one here, the down close candle on 9 p.m. Quickly bring out my PDR. It will be kind of be dirty. It will kind of be dirty, but you just have to cope up with it. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm just doing this for the benefit of you, bro. I just wanna help you. Just wanna help people. So this is what happened during London session. Nothing really went on here. There was a quick exchange or from here to here, because you can see this is 3 a.m. candle and this is the 4 a.m. candlestick. There's a very quick exchange of converting these minor buy side into money and quickly using this 1 hour BC because price did not show interest of coming for this liquidity here. um I had pointed out this and this. Remember, I always treat the market in terms of probabilities. I don't lean on one side. If you lean on one side, you are going to be having a very huge disadvantage. Stop trying to pick sides on markets because of course you're gonna end up pick a side when you're doing it, but let the price show you where it's going. That's how you pick a side. You don't pick a side before the market shows you where it's gonna go. I came to New York session and I saw this here converted into cash. I also saw this here converted into cash, and I did not know where price might want to go after. But these kind of sticks kind of still came for this 1 hour BC, and it didn't show interest on this sell side because it worked on it here. You can see here, here. This was worked on here. This one there, and these kind of sticks just you can see the wick here. What it's doing, that is perfect. You can see that. Can you see that? That's perfect. Oh my god. I'm not the one who's doing that. It's the algorithm, bro. That's not me. So we see price wanting to deliver higher and immediately target these ones here and convert them into cash. This is a very high area of interest because we have a new week opening up on um 26th. That was on last month. Some volume imbalance here, here. So very very high area of interest. So here, you see how that kind of sticks. Use that, and pretty sure it's gonna come for here, and probably what I said here. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's gonna aggressively come for here. I know that before 12, or maybe after 12. I don't know. I'm just talking too much. I want you to observe. We have talked about these things, these imbalances. This is a 1 hour CB, an ISVG. I want you to observe how price is printing at this area. You see, price just comes, it tries to deliver lower, it doesn't. It doesn't have the strength, and it starts showing direction of going up. But once you're in the lower time frame, you won't even understand what's happening because there's a lot of transactions here, and this is accumulation. And this accumulation is crazy because after accumulations, we might have a reversal or an expansion. And you don't know what that is, but an expansion is um the best price delivery we can have in the market. It's second stage. It's obviously after the second stage accumulation. Yes. So price might do something crazy here. Don't mind me. Don't mind it if it does. Don't mind it. You can see where we're from. These motherfuckers still remain on my target. Maybe later, not today. We can see how price uses these here new day opening up. Just some candlesticks. There's an exchange there. And apparently today on the silver bullet we had price run above this buy side liquidity, and we didn't really have nothing on the pre-market session because there was a lot of accumulation. This is why we also have to learn not to trade every day and every time. And if we trade every day and every time, we also have to learn that we're supposed to reduce our risk so that we survive for tomorrow. Um, this is good. And today is on Tuesday. We also had just job opening at 9:30. That was tentative. You can see here, there. This kind of sticks was it. I think price wanted to run higher, but it needed something, and I said it's this 1 hour. This is what it came for. This is what I do every day. I don't hate on nobody. I don't want to have hate, so I give this information for free. I'm just showing what I'm doing, and it might not be the right thing, but I'm just showing what I'm doing. I'm just documenting my own thing. You don't have to quote me. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not. I am not here to tell you when to buy or when to sell. I am just documenting my stuff. I'm just documenting my journey. And the only person that I am teaching is my brother. I don't know if you understand that. So if I don't make sense to you, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro. We don't give a fuck about them. Yeah. So we also have NFP on Friday. So be aware. Be aware. But I love it. I love NFP. Oh my god. I want it. I think I want it. I want to see what Price will do because Price God God has been doing some crazy stuff, man, and I love it. I love chaos. I said I love chaos before. I do. I really love it. So that was the recap for today. We said we might want to see price go higher, but when it goes higher, you have to consider this new week opening up, which is a volume imbalance. There's a new day opening up here on Tuesday. You have to consider that. You also have to consider this 1 hour BC. Have to consider that. And when it wanna comes lower, you have to consider this 1 hour BC here. This is not it. This is from this side. This is not here. This is from this side. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna meet tomorrow, guys. Have a good evening and have a good afternoon and a good evening. Thank you.